Yes. What's up? Today I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfer. Boom boom. And this is my second Subway Surfer video, so if you haven't seen the first one, I highly recommend it. Okay. What? You can crash into that? No. Just no. Mystery box. I'm sorry guys, I'm having anger issues right now. That guy's weird looking. I'm really having anger issues. Oh! Got monies. 1,000 coins. Okay, let's do it one more time. Gosh. I thought I was dead on that first one, so I kind of stopped trying. That dog. That dog. He doesn't know what he's messing with. Oh. That was pretty great. Boom, boom. Coin Central. Kind of saw an up close to my face right there. I don't want to unlock her actually. So guys, that was Subway Surfer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to SWAT Love.